Remember before summers?
My God.
है ना?
This is all your fault, by the way.
No, it's not.
No.
You've been traveling. I've been traveling too, but
Yes,
तुम तो ज़्यादा travel कर.
मैं रहती
आधा इधर,
आधा उधर
Here and there.
Here and there. Here and there was on our show last night.
Oh, really?
जी, we just recorded
I met
it.
him during my summer vacation. He was on his summer vacation with his family.
कहाँ गए थे
London
आप
गए
लोग?
थे.
London गए थे
Yeah.
आप. Hi, I miss London. I haven't been in a while.
Yeah, अच्छा.
No, I was there earlier this year.
You were.
I literally
You
forgot that I
were.
was just there. Oh my
Yes.
God, the summer was crazy.
Yes.
और खत्म होने वाली है.
खत्म हो गई है. बच्चों के स्कूल जब शुरू हो जाते हैं, there's no more summer
Hi,
for
that
us.
must be like interesting.
Crazy, it's crazy.
है ना?
You know, हमारा भी वैसे कुछ अजीब ही है. उष्णा, seriously with moms, हम कहते हैं कि छुट्टियां कब आएंगी, छुट्टियां कब आएंगी, छुट्टियां कब आएंगी. जब छुट्टियां आ जाती हैं, हम कहते हैं खत्म कब होगा, स्कूल कब खुलेगा, स्कूल कब. So it's crazy. We are just not happy with either of.
But ये भी छुट्टियां आ चुकी हैं. Why do you want them to be over?
Because we want them to go back to the routine because वो इतना सर पे चढ़ जाते हैं.
Do you
know,
go crazy in the summer?
They do. There is no routine like as such, right?
That's...
And घुमा फिरा के भी आ जाओ and you know like मैंने कहा next time हम नथिया गली जाएंगे, up north जाएंगे, बाहर के चक्कर बंद अब.
बाहर के
बिल्कुल.
You're not gonna do that.
My guilt.
What was your childhood like? And I'm not gonna ask you about anything that we already know. Tell me something different about your childhood. What was it like growing up on film sets?
Oh, it was amazing. You know, it was crazy when we used to go to sets. अच्छा ये sets नहीं होते थे.
नहीं.
लाहौर में होते थे.
बारी स्टूडियो.
बारी स्टूडियो.
Yeah.
और उसका माहौल ही कुछ और होता था.
है ना? I've heard.
हो वो माहौल ही कुछ और होता था एंड पंजाबी माहौल सब पंजाबी में बात कर रहे
और
हैं
लेट काम शुरू हो रहा है. क्योंकि अब ये होता है वहाँ पे.
नहीं,
मैं
वहाँ
लाहौरी हूँ. But
हाँ नहीं बट वहाँ कोई ऐसा नहीं अब well I was not literally there but
Yeah.
I remember because Baba was very punctual about his shoot timings and everything कि डे का डे पे होना है रात का रात में होना है एंड देखो हमने तो ज्यादातर ड्रामों में काम किया दैट वाज फिल्म सेट राइट एंड फिल्म्स में
वो
2
थोड़े
सीन
ज्यादा-
होते हैं एक सीन होता है 3 सीन्स होते हैं
उस जमाने में भी.
उस जमाने में भी या
Wow.
Yeah.
Did Javed sir ever do? क्योंकि मैंने मतलब I wasn't here,
Yeah.
right? So I missed out a
हाँ,
lot. I
तुम
know what a
तो
legend
पाकिस्तान में
he is,
नहीं
but
थी.
मैं नहीं
हाँ,
थी.
नहीं थी.
तो मुझे बताएं उन्होंने कभी वो वाली फिल्में की है where he's like Shan's done them with the Gandasa and like
ये तो बड़ा टफ क्वेश्चन पूछ
the
लिया
ladies
उसने.
running around. Has he ever done that?
डेफिनेटली लेकिन लिटरली गंडासा वाला नहीं खैर मुझे कुछ लोग देख के बोलेंगे बाप की फिल्में ही नहीं देखी या सारी नहीं देखी है बट ही इज डन पंजाबी फिल्म
He's done Punjabi films.
या पंजाबी फिल्मों में होता ही है
We need to find the songs.
We need to find the songs and लगाना है हमने इसी क्लिप के साथ
इसी क्लिप के साथ लगाना है. That would be so cool.
Yeah,
I
that would
think
be
that
so
was
cool.
awesome.
Yeah.
And I love that there are actors who've done both. Like Shan, for example.
Exactly.
He's done the Gandasa, he's done the Var, he's done the...
Exactly.
You know, and it's...
Baba has done many more and going to India as well and doing
Yes,
that also
he was in Shah Rukh
internationally.
Khan film too.
He has done more than 30 ज़्यादा हो गया 15 plus movies in India.
No way.
You name it, he has been his or her father.
Really?
Yeah, literally.
That's so awesome.
Yeah,
So what was it like for you?
It was crazy. जब उस टाइम मैं गई ना इंडिया and when people got to know कि अच्छा यहाँ पे आते हो तो पता है ठीक है एक आपको वो फौरन ही मिलेगा आपके शेख साहब लाइक आपके बाबा आपके you know father इतना उनको रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं इतना
माशाल्लाह.
प्यार देते हैं and the way he is as well and
He's so nice.
he's super
so
nice
sweet,
you know
yeah.
and उनका वो रखना भी थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है कि आप ऊपर ऊंच नीच नहीं कर सकते हो
Was that tough for you? Like as his daughter, अब आपको बहुत तमीज भी दिखानी होती है
हाँ,
extra.
हाँ, I mean like we are somewhat like him, me and
Yeah.
Shazad. मैं थोड़ी सी चुलबुली टाइप की हूँ.
Yeah.
वो थोड़ी सी sophisticated and so Shazad goes in that line, like a little
I'm sorry?
sophisticated. Shazad goes in that like a little sophisticated.
No, he is sophisticated, but if you're friendly with him, he's like the funniest, most hyper.
Only if you're friendly with him.
Only, अच्छा. So I've always been on great terms with
You
him.
तो
yeah.
always been.
Yeah.
ना इनसे वो बहुत कम दोस्त बनाता है. मैं तो पूरी इंडस्ट्री मेरी दोस्त है ना.
That's true.
That's the thing. And I'm the talkative one and the chulbuli one. So I was telling you कि जब मैं इंडिया गई तो जिनको पता चला like even in a hotel I was staying and ये जावेद शेख people knew were there who Javed Sheikh was.
Amazing, mashallah.
As if we were talking about Amitabh Bachchan or Shah Rukh Khan.
Also have to understand कि अगर हम अभी की बात करें, शेख साहब तो हर ड्रामे में तो वो होते हैं, हर अच्छे ड्रामे में, बड़े बजट के ड्रामे में, जिनके पास पैसे हो वो फिर उनको रख लेते हैं। तो वहाँ हमारे ड्रामास बहुत देखे जाते हैं,
बहुत देखे जाते हैं, बहुत देखे जाते हैं, and alhamdulillah the respect that I've gotten because of him, and you know, like alhamdulillah, it's amazing. It's amazing.
So you guys are the closest that we have to say the Kapoors.
Yeah, somewhat. You know, if we include Behrouz uncle's family,
Yeah,
Salim
so
Chacha's family,
tell
so
me
yeah,
how
the Kapoors.
Tell me how that works. Who
with the
is related
sheikhs.
to who?
Okay, so the sheikhs, Behrouz uncle is Sabzwari, of course, Behrouz
Yeah.
Sabzwari, but he's my papa.
He's your papa.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Baba and Behrouz uncle ki biwi are brothers
And I
and
love
sisters. Yeah, Safina Bhuppo.
She's just the
She's a
sweetest.
yeah.
She's such a darling.
So her and Baba are brothers and sisters.
ठीक है.
And Salim Chacha and Baba are brothers, of
Yes.
course. So Salim Chacha ki family, Puppo ki family.
I had a
are-
crush on him when I was like 6.
No way.
I'm
Salim
telling
Chacha.
you, yeah. Or 7, or I
Wow,
don't
Salim
know.
Chacha, did you hear that?
I
Oh my
don't know
God.
what drama it was, and I think I was visiting for the summer or something, and there was some drama.
That army drama,
That army drama, Sunaheddin. And there was this one scene where like somebody made him put stuff in like a glass and drink it.
Wow.
कि इसमें ये डालो, उसमें, and then I was on like a set with him, okay?
Wow.
Like
and did you
Mama's
tell him
set.
that?
And I wrote him like a poem.
That's so cool.
He doesn't remember this, thank
Oh
God.
my
But I
God.
remember I wrote him like a little poem about like how to mix
Oh.
things in a glass and drink them. And it was really, I can't believe and I'm burning up right now. But I must have been like 7 or 8. And
Yeah,
I'm
of
really,
course,
really
of
young.
course, of
I was
course.
a baby.
But इतना अच्छा लगता है. I mean, like जिस तरह तुमने कहा कि Kapoor family, yeah, Sheikh family of Bollywood.
So you
or-
can't lose it on set, but you don't. You're chilbully.
I am. I just, it's like, I'm
It's
a
a-
happy-go-lucky person. Like, I like being friends.
So you've had quite the journey.
Yeah.
And then you did the sitcom.
And I did the sitcom.
And the
Now
next
there's
thing,
like, go, like, you know, why don't you give an audition? I was like,
Yeah.
okay, fine. One audition, two audition, third audition, I passed, and it's just started.
Mashallah, and here we are.
Alhamdulillah, and I'm here.
You've
Alhamdulillah.
also been to Bollywood.
Yes.
You've done,
yes.
2016, you did a film with Abhay Deol.
Yes.
What was that like?
यार बहुत मजे की थी. It was again मजेदार इसलिए थी क्योंकि मैं पाकिस्तानी ही प्ले कर रही थी. So they wanted कि ऐसी ही लड़की जिसका लहजा, जिसकी उर्दू, क्योंकि हमारी ज़बान को जितना पसंद किया जाता है वहाँ पे, मैं तुम्हें बता नहीं सकती.
I know.
And वो कहते हैं कि बस आप बोलते रहे यूं करके. मैंने कहा मुझे तो सही तरीके से बोलने भी नहीं आती उर्दू. आप
What was Abhay Deol and all that like? What was he like to work
Oh
with?
my God! Again, if I go back, then me being हाँ तो vanity vans उनको तो सबको अलग अलग कर देते हैं ना.
हाँ.
You have your own vanity van and your own team and everything, and I'm like बंद एक डब्बे के अंदर. मैंने कहा हमारे तो सेट्स में सारे के सारे साथ होते हैं, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट भी तो हम भी तो रिहर्सल्स भी हो रही है, हंसी मजाक भी, जिंदगी की रोना धोना सब एक. They're like what? I was like हाँ एक कमरा होता है. They were shocked.